Hey everyone, it's Linda. I am just doing a sheet pan meal tonight, so I'm gonna put this down and just kind of show you what I'm doing here. So hopefully you'll be able to see that. We've got some of the oil. So right now I've got I had one potato left, and I had some cauliflower and Brussels sprouts. I'm trying to use up, all the stuff that I have in my kitchen. So, and not let any food go to waste, because, I hate food waste, and I'm, kind of tired of buying all these nice vegetables from Friendly Fruit and then, then throwing them away. So when I get the vegetables, because like the big thing of cauliflower, I probably got for, it's like 3 pounds, 4 pounds of cauliflower, and I probably got them for $2. And then the Brussels sprouts I got for 99 cents a pound, and I got a pound of them. So I was like, I'm going to use all these things up. And then I got the big thing of lettuce also that I've been having all my salads this week with. So I've been trying to use up, I forgot my onion. A little bit of onion is going to go in there. That's the leftover onion from last night. If I can find it. Well, I guess I can't find it. Well, maybe I don't have it. I'll put it in later. So I am going to put some onion in here. And then I've got some just chicken legs, and I'm just going to put these on here. Just like that. And throw that away. Clean up hands a little bit. And then we just kind of put these, that one's a little frozen, kind of put these in here like that. And then I'm just going to put on some of the seasoning. That's it. And this is going to be done. And the only seasoning I'm going to put on here really is, I'm going to put some salt. And I put my sea salt in a container, so it's a little bit easier. And we're going to get some peppers. And more pepper in here? Yeah, there's more pepper in here. So we're going to put this in here. Just easy, easy, easy. And this is already got the oil on there. I mixed that oil on there, so that's all set. And then, my go-to spices are my sweet basil. So I love, 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 love the flavor of the sweet basil. So I'm going to put some of that on there. And then my Italian, which I think I need to open this one. So we're going to open this one. Sprinkle some Italian. So it's just this Italian seasoning. We're going to put that on there. And then just, this is going to roast at 400 degrees for probably until the chicken's done, because everything else will be done once the chicken's done. So this will probably roast for about 40 minutes or so. And it'll, you know what, I'm going to put some garlic and herb on there too. So, because I love, love, love this. And that, and I've heard that we should always just season more and more and more. If we think we have enough, just put more on, because usually we don't have enough, and that's going to be done. That, and then this is going to go into the oven, like I said, I'm going to add some onion and maybe some pepper. I have some pepper in the freezer, so I might add some red pepper for color. And this will go into the oven, and it will cook for maybe 40 minutes, and dinner will be done all in one pan. I like that. So this is Linda Medeiros. Maybe I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Bye. Okay, it's come out of the oven. And as you can see, all the chicken is done. It's in one pan. We've got veggies, got a tiny bit of potatoes in there. And you can see I did put some green pepper, onion, and some red pepper in there for color. So this is a sheet pan meal done in the bar pan. And it's just one of those items that I think everybody should have, just because you're going to use it all the time. But sheet pan meal, all in one. Chicken with veggies, roasted veggies. And it took me a little bit longer than the 40 minutes. It probably took me about 50 minutes, and that's it. Bye for now, and hit the subscribe button so you can see more, and share it. And thank you so much for watching.